there, Sanity Seekers! Thank you for joining me. I recently made a miniature in a wine bottle. I needed some wine glasses for it, but I had none small enough. So I came up with a fun little way of making some tiny glasses out of plastic inserts from pens. Today I'd like to show you how I made them. Trust me, it's pretty easy and pretty fun. But first of all, we are melting plastic, which can be all fumey and bad for you, so I highly recommend grabbing a mask and working in a well-ventilated area. All you'll actually need is a candle, a wooden skewer and some empty pen inserts. There is also the option, however, to use small round flatbacks, sequins or disc beads as the wine glass bases. I've edited the beginning of this video basically in real time so you can get the gist of how long it takes to melt, manipulate and cool the plastic. As you can see, I've jammed the skewer in one end tightly and gently heated a section whilst turning the insert. Once heated enough, I bring it aside from the flame and gently pull either end to elongate the centre, which creates the wine glass stem. I hold it as still and straight as I can while it cools. Once cool enough not to bend, I place it down until it's cool enough to the touch, and then I can pull out the skewer. I'm using my mat to measure out the glasses and the centre of the stem, as I'll get 2 glasses out of this piece. For these ones I'll glue on some flatbacks as wine glass bases, but further on in the video I'll show you how to make a melted base so that the glass is entirely in one piece. Using a flatback, however, may be an easier option for some people, or the style might just suit the project better. I'm holding the piece upright for a bit for it to dry nice and straight. You could cut it taller or shorter as you please. But I want to hit you with another option. We could do the same thing again, but before we hold it straight and still to cool, we could slowly twist one end in order to create a spiral stem. This could be a nice detail, something a little fancy, or maybe it could be used for a magical fairy, witch or wizard diorama. For these I'll try some tiny wood beads for the bases and paint them gold afterwards. And for another variation again, I've let the stem cool a little before twisting it to give it a more accentuated spiral stem. After which I've cut off the end, leaving enough extra to heat up again and squash into a round base. You have to try and bring it straight down onto the mat to shape and cool, otherwise your base will end up wonky. And hold it in place to cool so it doesn't bend. Doing it in one piece gives you a much sturdier professional result, but it can be quite tricky. Please don't be discouraged when giving this a go, because it'll probably take you a few goes to get it, and that is okay. You might get it first go, completely fine. Everyone might get it first go, and I might just be a dumbass, and that too is fine by me, because I'm all about sharing the love and the creativity. But I will say, my friends, that if you found value in my video, please hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. I'd really love to know where everyone is from. This is the project I needed the glasses for. I'd love you to go check out that video, and in the meantime, please stay safe, sane and creative, Sanity Seekers. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye.